Pa-pa-da-pam.
Alright.
Yes, my blesser.
Maybe that one? What size is that? Maybe
And look.
oh yes. Oh yes. Nice, nice. Okay.
Imagine if you can do this with your cock. Eh? Depends how big is the girl you have in front, you can choose. Little Japanese, a bit big mama, Polynesian big mama. Okay. To grab this, I need two. They said to use grease in this screw.
Which one?
I wanna eat it up a bit.
Yeah.
So now I have to push it in.
It looks like it doesn't want to move. Actually, where's the relay this? Like that. Hold on. See if it's going in. It's going in, yeah.
And if I bang it, put it pump. Now we go. Set. Thank you very much. Ready to wash and sell.